Filtering and classifying core veneer is extremely important because the quality of the plywood mainly depends on this input material. Every day we buy shakers vehicle from everywhere. Core veneer after unloaded will be classifying by this veneer worker. Before bringing this good here, we have checked the quality from supplier. As you know, there are many veneer suppliers in Vietnam. However, not all suppliers are good. In this video, I will talking about our way to control the input material for making plywood according customer requirement. Hello everyone, I am Andy. Currently, we produce, trade and export the plywood and veneer products in Vietnam. I hope to connect with many producers or business that produce products like this around the world. As you know, there are many types of work for making wood veneers. The most common in Vietnam are acacia trees, eucalyptus tree, rubber, styrich, Malatia conifera trees, or pine wood. The pine tree is abundant in Russia and Europe. Each type of wood has different color, different weight, different stiffness, and quality is different too. Each type of plywood made from another wood has different use. Maybe they are used for furniture, for exterior, interior, for packing, or used for sheltering in building construction. For each application, we need to select suitable material to maximize the functionality of each type wood. However, no matter what type wood you use, so you must be quality check color for that. For checking, we need to attention selection criteria following. The first, the most important is the thickness. The second, you need to know clear distinctions ABC rate. Third, that is moisture content. The fourth is the size. For me, the thickness is the most important criteria when you are selecting to buy core veneers. You must carefully check before buying. There are two factors you need to be attentive to assess the quality of veneer. That is, the thickness must be sufficient and the thickness must be even. For example, for 1.7 mm thickness of the veneer, you only accept from 1.6 mm and more, because if the thickness is missing too much, besides the fact we will lose money, that will affect the quality for production and affect on other production. In Vietnam, sometimes there are manufacturers who cheat on this. If it were me, I'd never buy from those manufacturers and leave them in the blacklist. It is easy to check the thickness. We use the calipper to check. To check uniformly, you will need to check the thickness at various positions on each veneer sheet. For those who have a lot of experience like me, they can check with the naked eyes to be able to evaluate it relatively and accurately by looking at the veneer bundle at an inclined angle. Maybe everyone knows the grade of veneer are A, B, C, but this is only a relative standard. For you, that is an A grade, but for me, not enough quality to be considered an A grade core veneer. To select exactly, you need more information about specifications. I will share with you our processing to work with a veneer supplier. First, we give them all of the specifications, including types of wood, the size, thickness, the allowed ratio of ABC in a batch, and then they produce according to the standard and cost we gave them before. We will then accept and adjust until the standards are agreed upon by both parties. There is a faster way. We find suppliers who have goods in stock and choose the qualified goods to buy. Doing in this way is faster, but there are risks. Every game has cheaters. They arrange the good quality be outside and lower quality be inside. We yield to meet those suppliers. The selection reputation supplier is very important in the commercial sector, and we have many old partners to provide for us because many factors affect the source supply. We are always looking for a new suppliers. In short, to accurately evaluate ABC rate, between the parties need to agree on criteria such as type wood, size, thickness, how many knots on the board, ratio of ABC on a batch, surface veneer radius. Okay, let's go to third criteria, moisture content. For us, the common moisture we require is about 22%. We will adjust it when processing for container loss to export. Danish moisture lower 15 or 16% to not get more the white change portion at sea. For moisture check, you need to check it in the center of the board because it is outside the edge of the board and is always drier. The humidity check is very easy. The size check is very easy too. The common size is 1270 mm and 640. You only check it by tape measures. Besides, you just need to see if the edges are cut squarely and neatly or not. This can be checked with the naked eye.